Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvetlox back again with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to lose 20 pounds simply by drinking lemon juice, okay? And I'm going to show you a wonderful recipe that you can drink every morning on an empty stomach, and this is going to help to shed that weight off. In the video, as far as what you're going to need for this wonderful recipe, you're going to need a pot, so make sure you have your pot ready. You're also going to need some mineral water, okay? You're going to need a mixture of lemons and limes. I have 3 limes and 5 lemons, okay? You're also going to need 6 cloves of your garlic. And you're also going to need some ginger. Okay, a nice piece of ginger. This is about maybe, I would say 2 inches of ginger. Alright, so let's get started. Not only are you going to need a pot, but you're also going to need a blender. So make sure you got your little blender ready. Your personal blender is fine. To start this off, let's get our fluids ready for our pot. You're going to need 6 cups of water. Alright, that's 4 cups. Okay, so we have our 6 cups of mineral water in there. Okay, next we're going to juice our lemons, okay? So we're just going to take our lemons, squeeze them. Okay, so we are finished. So I am finished. I got my juice from all of my lemons and limes. Okay, we kept that on the side because now I'm going to pop that into my water as it's boiling. Okay, so you're going to put your lemons and your limes in your mineral water as it's boiling. Okay, and we're going to allow that to simmer, okay, to boil. Now in the meantime, we're going to take our ginger and our garlic and we're going to chop that up into pieces. Okay, just going to chop that up and put that in our blender cup. Next, you're going to take your ginger root and you're going to do the same thing. Just going to chop that into pieces. Okay, now we're going to take our lemon juice and pour that inside of our blender cup. Okay, and we're going to blend this down. So while our pot is still on boil or simmer, we're going to just blend this down Okay? So it has our ginger, our garlic, and our lemon juice. Okay, so we're just going to leave that on the side for now, okay, and just allow this to continue simmering. Okay, so I'm going to let this simmer down for another 10 minutes, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, so it is finished. And what I'm going to do is let it finish cooling off. And then when it finishes cooling off, I will show you what I'm going to do next. Alright. So what I'm going to do is take out the lemons out of the water. And I'm actually squeezing them out. So all the excess juice and water that's in them can go back into the pot. So now I'm just going to transfer this into my mason jar. And then I'm going to take my little concoction that I blended and pour that in there as well. Okay. Now you let this cool off and then store it inside your refrigerator. And what you're going to do is you're going to have one glass in the morning on an empty stomach right before breakfast. 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Then you're going to have another glass before each meal. So 20 to 30 minutes before lunch, same as for dinner, you're going to have another glass. And you're going to do this consecutively for at least 7 days. Now this is an awesome lemon juice detox water, and the lemon juice is going to help stimulate the bile production in the stomach. It's going to improve the function of the gastrointestinal tract. It's going to prevent digestive issues and burn the fat in the body. This is a powerful drink that will improve your overall health, also help you to lose weight quickly and naturally in just a few weeks. So like I said, drink this every morning on an empty stomach, 20 to 30 minutes before your breakfast, as well as lunch and dinner. And you can continue making this and drink this as long as you need to. There's no time limit on that, okay? Alright, so that's it. Your wonderful lemon juice concoction that's going to help clean the excess toxins out of your body, stimulate your bowels, and get you to lose that weight fast, alright? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more like it. And if you have any video suggestions, you can list them down below in the description bar. Alright? Also, don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skin care, as well as fashion hauls and family challenges on that channel. Okay? And until the next time, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.